CrewtonRamoneHouseOfMath.com.
Crewton Ramone's House of Math. Okay. So here's the problem that we did. And here it is all lined up. I remembered to get my camera out before we moved on. We were almost at the end of it when I went, you know, I should film this. Because now the emphasis is going to be on understanding that we're filling up this one, right? And she knew right away when we did this that it was going to be 20. And that we would have to take 5 and 5, right? Okay, so we multiplied by 1. We multiplied by 1. So this is the same thing. 15 twentieths is the same thing as 3/4. And 12 twentieths is the same thing as 3/5. And when we added those two together, 15 of the 20ths kind and 12 of the 20ths kind, we got 27 twentieths. Okay, then we had a little problem. Because this is an improper fraction. So what do we have to do? Well, I had to count out how many 20s. And we got to understand that what we were doing is filling this one up. To use our imagination and take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and put them over here to fill this up, to make a 1. And we'd have 20 out of 20 there, right? And then we'd still have 7 left. And so now we could we rewrite that? Here, you good. Rewrite that. Equals what? 1. There you go, because that 20 over 20 is the same thing as 1. Done.
Oh.
Right? That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, right? Big smile. Simple, right? Okay, so the idea is we really are counting 20 out of the 27. Right? Because the total of all these pieces is 27. Right? All these single pieces.
Mm-hmm.
But every time we get 20 of them together, we decided that's 1. Right? Because we had to make that common denominator. And we can see they really do fit together like that. Okay, so now let's do some other pieces and play a different game where we're gonna add and wind up with more than 1, and we're gonna bring this point home about improper fractions. Okay, let's play that game. Okay, so now we're changing the rules all around. Now I'm saying that this is 1 and this is 1/3, and we just did a 3-period lesson. So what's this?
1/3.
What's this?
1.
Okay, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so show me 1/3. Okay, show me, okay, great, we've only had 2 choices here. Okay, so now show me 5/3. Mm-hmm. Alright, put it down here. Okay, so this is 5/3.
Yeah.
Okay, so how much is 5/3 the same as? Let's write that down. Write down 5/3. Over here, 5/3. And that's the same thing as what? Let's figure it out. Give me an equal sign. Cap the pen. So how many can we count? Every time I get 3 of these together, how many is that? What's this again?
Oh, 1.
Okay. See? Now, do I have a 1 there? I have 1.
Yeah.
And how much do I need? Do I have some more that'll fit there? Put them in there. Okay, you could use that, or you could use the green ones.
I could use that.
Okay, so what do I have? I have 1, and how many of the next one? So put my 1. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Is it 1 there?
Mm-mm.
Remove the note for the lesson. Ask them what they have. What do I have there? How many fits? Right.
Yeah.
2 would go. That's why I said use the green ones, because that would make it super easy. See that?
Mm-hmm.
So what we have there, and see, we could rewrite that. What's that? That's 3/3, isn't it? Well, we know 3/3 is 1, but just for the time being, just put 3/3.
Oh.
1 big 3 would be 3. We don't have 3 there. There you go. So there's my 1, and, right? One of them, 3/3, literally, right? And 2 out of 3. Right? Because each one of these are thirds. So what are we counting? We're counting 1. And each one of these is a third. So I really have, now you can put 1. 1 and 2/3. See it? Alright, let's go faster.